Hey friends, so got a Apple Watch. This is the SE3, which is the latest, most affordable version. They have versions that can go up to hundreds and hundreds of dollars. I'm not interested in that. So this is the unboxing of it. I guess this is the band. I'm an Android person myself. This time I'm checking this out. It's a kind of a white off-white look. And then the other box, there's a part here that you just have to pull off this, and once you pull it off you'll be able to access the box. So here you have the charging cable, and here is the watch. And the cable, as far as I understand, see that slot there, basically just fits in there. It's a button you press in the back here to allow it to fit in, and that's it. So this is the unboxing of the Apple Watch SE3. This is GPS, it's not cellular. The higher versions are cellular. I did try an Apple Watch Series 4 recently, just to have a look. That one had cellular, but it seemed to drain the battery really badly. So I decided, let's look at the newer version.